Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about Rolle's theorem.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, y equals x squared minus x minus 12 divided by x plus 4, and we have to find if Rolle's values of c that satisfy Rolle's theorem on our interval from -3 to 4. Well, the first thing I find, can we apply Rolle's theorem? Now, our function is a rational function, and the only place where it doesn't exist here is at a -4, because we would divide it by 0. Everywhere else it exists, it's also continuous everywhere else, and it's differentiable everywhere else. And so we're good there within our interval, because -4 is outside of the interval. I found for you f of -3, which is 0, and f of a positive 4, which is also equal to 0, so we're good on this last part there. Since we satisfy all of our conditions, we can apply Rolle's theorem. We need to take the derivative. So what is f prime of x here? Well, using Quotient Rule, we find the derivative of the numerator, which is a 2x minus 1, multiplied by our denominator, an x plus 4, subtracted by derivative of the denominator, which is a 1, times the numerator, which is an x squared minus x minus 12, all over an x plus 4, the denominator squared. Simplify this bad boy out. F prime of x is equal to 2x times x is a 2x squared. 2x times 4 is an 8x. -1 times x is a -x. -1 times 4 is a -4. Minus, bring the minus sign over, minus x squared plus x, don't forget it, and then plus a 12. All over a good old x plus 4 all squared. From there, we can simplify our numerator. 2x squared minus 1x squared is a single x squared. We got them. The negative x and positive x cancel, so we just bring down this 8x right here. And then minus 4 and 12 is a positive 8 as well. Divided by an x plus 4 all squared. Okay. Well, this function can't really simplify anymore. All right. And so what we want to do is find where it's equal to 0. Right. That's the whole point using Rolle's theorem. Now, we only really care about our numerator here. If we're dividing by 0, it's undefined. But if the numerator is equal to 0, then the whole thing's equal to 0. So what do? We take that numerator. Let's do it over here. Make sure I have enough room for what I'm doing. We take that numerator, I'll do it right here first, x squared plus 8x plus 8, and we set it equal to 0. And we're solving the values of x here. Now with that, we need to use the quadratic formula. So x equals a negative b value 8 plus or minus the square root of 8 squared minus 4 times an a value, which is 1, our c value is 8. All over 2 times a, which is 1. From there, we can simplify this, and this actually simplifies. I've done it for you. X equals a plus or minus, 4. -4, oh my goodness, I'm skipping things. -4 plus or minus 2 square root of 2, and that's what it simplifies to be. Now, let's go write it actually like this. Plus and minus 4 minus 2 square root of 2. So these are our two values here, two options. Well, the second one is outside of our interval, so we can't actually use it. We can only use the first one here because it's out. The second one was outside of this value here. The first one, we were fine. And so our c value that satisfies this is a -4 plus 2 square root of 2, if I can write that. Oof. Anyway, the c value here that satisfies Rolle's theorem is -4 plus 2 square root of 2, and that is our final answer. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.